Today we are going to make shorpa. Shorpa means soup in our Uyghur language, and today we are going to make traditional winter soup. And for the winter recipe, of course, we are going to use winter vegetables such as turnip. I'm going to use purple turnip, but you can also use green turnip or use both of them. It's absolutely okay. And also beautiful golden carrots. I'm going to use two colors, more vitamins. And beautiful round white onion. This is the secret ingredients of this recipe. And also ginger. We use lots of lamb in lots of traditional foods. So I'm going to use lambshank for this winter recipe. I already washed this. Now I put it in just enough water in a pot. Let it boil for about minimal 2 hours. I'm going to cut the vegetables in very big pieces. The soup starts to boil. As you can see, you will see like this foam floating. We need to remove this. I just removed lots of foam, so you need to remove as much as possible. Now I'm going to let it boil for about 2 hours. You can, of course, for the better result, let it boil for 4 to 5 hours. And we need to put ginger and onion right away at the beginning. Slice the onion very thin. I'm going to put in onion and ginger right away when the soup starts boiling. But I'm going to keep a few slices for later. We need to put enough salt in the soup. This is very important, so the soup becomes slightly salty. As you can see, the soup boils too hard, so you need to turn the fire down to the low heat. Let it simmer very slowly, like this. Just some bubbles. In the meanwhile, I'm going to cut the vegetables for later. I'm going to cut the vegetables in big pieces. Stab few times in the meat, so the meat soaks all the soup. And also the other side. The soup is simmering. As you can see, the vegetables are ready to go, and I'm going to put them the last hour before the soup is done. In the meanwhile, you can wait, you can do anything, watch some YouTube videos, watch some other cooking dolanchik videos, what you want, or do some reading, listening, dancing. Now I'm going to put all the vegetables in the soup. After about 2 hours, the shorpa is ready. I have here leftover onion. I put little cumin in it, and let's make some dressing. And add a pinch of salt. Look at this! It looks so yummy! I put here 2 spoons of soup. Mix it. Take out the meat. Take out all the vegetables. Put the dressing. If you have coriander, put some coriander on it. It's just beautiful. As you can see, this is how we serve the shorpa. In your own bowl, you have a shorpa and you put naan in the shorpa and eat it with a spoon. And about the meat, I have a knife here. As a child, I wasn't allowed to cut the meat by myself, so usually I got the meat from my grandma or grandpa. It feels like a big celebration. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you liked the video, like the recipe. If you like it, share it with your families and friends. Thank you again and see you next week.